How's it going, everyone? It's Seed up here, and I've been getting people messaging me saying that this video, the 100% works, no Realtone cable 2020 doesn't work for them, and they keep getting like crashed games and stuff like that. The reason that your game won't start, or if it crashes, is probably because you're using a torrent version of Rocksmith remastered and not an actual Steam download paid for copy. So if you're using a torrent version, the no cable launcher app won't work if you've got start game with Steam. What I'm going to do is basically talk you through how to get around that. So I'm hoping you've got the no cable launcher downloaded, and what you need to do is you need to go into the no cable launcher. It's here, and you see most people, if you've got a torrent, you've clicked this start Steam game. It won't work if this is clicked because it goes through Steam, and obviously you haven't got it on Steam, so Steam stops the game from launching. So you want to uncheck this, and here where it says path, you want to find where you've installed Rocksmith. So for me, because I'm running a Steam game, I would have to go through Steam and find my game. But you don't have to do this. All you need to do is you need to find this. So you need to find where your Rocksmith is actually installed. So this is where mine is. And what you need to do is you need to find this here. Make sure that that's in this folder. Then you go up to the search bar where you have your locations. Click it, press Control C, which is copy, or right click and copy. Then come over to the no cable launcher, and where it says path, you want to paste that in. So that's going to be the new path for your game to start. So it doesn't, you won't have Steam, you'll probably have I don't know, program files, whatever you saved it in, and then you have Rocksmith 2014. Then you click save, rid of that, and then you will just start the game normally from the no cable launcher icon here. Yours won't start up through Steam, but it should start up like this. Just press enter. Just grab my guitar.
Rocksmith.
And there you go. That's it. As you can hear, the guitar works. And that's it, and I hope that helps, and that's the only other thing that you can do to get it to work. You shouldn't have any problems with it. Just make sure you only have one copy of the game installed on your computer, because you might be loading one game and it kind of gets confused. So yeah, I hope that helps. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comments below. And remember, you can catch me on Twitch every day. So if you just click the follow sign on Twitch, you'll get a notification when I'm on. And if you still have trouble, catch me on there and I can talk you through it. I can even do a screen share on there so we can actually do it live. yeah, that's it. I hope this helps, and keep safe and have a good day.